would it work in this house?
We're asking the guy if he would like a solar light. So far we did 2.
Okay.
And we're thinking of another one over here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, what did they say?
She said she doesn't use roof, but I think it's possible. There, I think
What's saying in English?
So,
What's the top of the roof?
Iron.
So an iron roof. Can we put a light in an iron roof?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what have you got there on your clipboard? What's that all about?
Like this is the answers to the questions. This is the houses.
Okay, so you've served and you've asked the people as well?
No.
Now, can you tell me, where do you think we should put the light in this house?
Up here somewhere?
In the middle, you're saying?
In that hole.
Yeah?
There's already a hole there.
Okay, because we have like a ceiling sort of things happening, so we need to think about that, how it's going to shine down. All right?
This one called the thing.
Can I see any of you in here?
I can see.
All right. So let's see what happens. Look up.
Wow.
Can I see you now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just like in the movie. Totally.
Yeah, so I can actually see you now.
I guess the solar light did work. Yeah.
Yeah, so it did work.